Good morning, students. Today is interesting topic about historical texts. I hope you all happy to watch this video. Let's start. Historical texts. Although there is no such text of ancient India that can be properly called historical text, because almost every text had been written in literally or religious color, but there are some certain texts with some historical material are available in dispersed manner. Kautilya Arthashastra was compiled in 4th century BC. It gives not detailed information about the system of administration but also an idea of social and religious life. People of that time, it is comparable with Aristotle politics and Machiavelli's Prince. Kamandak Nitishar, 4th 6th century AD, throws some light on the monarchy of Gupta period. Shukra Nitishar throws some light on monarchy of that time. Somdev Suri Nitisar Niti Vak Amrit gives information about state machinery of that time. Brahaspat Arthashastra is a text in Kautilya Arthashastra tradition. The best example of earliest historical writing is provided by Raj Tarangini, that means the Streams of Kings, written by Kalna, 12th century AD. It is a string of biography of the kings of Kashmir. It may be the first work to possess several characteristics of writing. It is understood today in the words of eminent historian R.C. Majumdar. There is only one historical work properly called written by Kalna in 12th century. This is Raj Tarangini, which deals with the history of Kashmir from earliest time up to date of composition. That work 1148 AD. It's assumed, however, a regular historical from only 7th century AD. The earlier chapter being medley of confused tradition and fanciful imaginations. The Chronicle of Gujarat, Prabandh Kosh, Rajshekara, Hamir, Madmardan, Jai Singh, Tejpal Prasasti, Vastupal, Prabandh Chintamani, Mritang, etc. throw light on history of Gujarat. The most remarkable text among the Chronicle of Sindh in Chacha Nama. In 8th century AD, Qazi Ismail, Qazi Alor, appointed by the Muhammad bin Qasim, wrote a book namely Tarikh Tarikh Sindh wa Hind, that means history of Sindh or Hind, in Arabic language, which is translated in Russian language by the name of Chacha Nama by Ali bin Hamid Kufi, 1216 AD. The Chacha Nama is also known as Fateh Nama Sindh. Is provided detailed description of Muhammad bin Qasim Sindh conquest 711-12 AD. Thank you. Keep watching. Hello friends, how are you? There is important questions based on historical texts. So let us start. What is Kautil's famous book? Arthashastra. In which century was Arthashastra compiled? 4th century BC. What does Arthashastra describe? Administration, society, and religion. Which book give information about the Gupta monarchy? Niti Sar. Who wrote Niti Sar? Kamandak. Who wrote Shukra Niti Sar? Shukra. What does Niti Vak Amrit describe? State machinery. Who wrote Niti Vak Amrit? Somdev Suri. Who wrote Brahaspat Arthashastra? Brahaspati. Who wrote Raj Tarangini? Kalina. In which century was Raj Tarangini written? 12th century AD. Raj Tarangini is the history of which region? Kashmir. Which is the most remarkable chronicle of Sindh? Chacha Nama. Who wrote Tarikh-e Sindh wa Hind? Qazi Ismail. In which language was Tarikh-e Sindh wa Hind written? Arabic. Who translated it into Persian? Ali bin Hamid Kufi. In which year was Chacha Nama translated into Persian? 1216 AD. What is another name of Chacha Nama? Fateh Nama Sindh. What does Chacha Nama describe? Muhammad bin Qasim conquest of Sindh. What did Muhammad bin Qasim conquer Sindh? 711 712 AD. Thank you. Keep watching. Have a good day to all.